have a baby sister. Her name is Kosi. I'm the eldest. She's the last. 14 years between us. Kosi is a beautiful babe. Her beauty shames the angels. Since the day she was born, it's been the thing that everyone pointed out. And sure enough, she became conscious of her beauty. And Kosi, being a child of the Instagram era, loves to take photos. And since I'm a photographer, one of the ways she and I bonded was through photo shoots. One day, while on holiday, she and I went out together. The lighting was immaculate where we were, perfect for a photo session. I asked her to pose for me. She immediately knew what time it was. Kosi understood the assignment. Born ready. Love it about her. I aimed my phone at this babe. And, this babe hit one of those super sexual Instagram model poses. Duck face and everything. It was a lot. It was unnecessary. Keep in mind, she was 15 or 16 at the time. I stopped the shoot immediately. And we had one of the most honest and critical conversations a big brother could ever have with his baby sister. Kosi, look, you're already beautiful. So beautiful you don't need to try. You don't need to pout and contort yourself to look good. You already got it. The lighting is amazing, and your big bro is a pro at getting good photos. I know your angles. Besides, your innocent beauty is already a large shining target for predatory men. If you sexualize yourself on top of that, you're basically holding up a huge neon sign saying, "Come and get me." Trust me, you don't want that. I get that your beauty is bursting your own brain, but make it so that your beauty is not the most remarkable thing about you. Okay? Oh yeah, let's try again. I could tell she was uncomfortable, but she listened. She knows her big bro cares, and big bro doesn't miss. She's also very well raised. But in order for her to really believe, she had to see. Round 2. This time, she posed like the 15-year-old she was. She gave me a big, bright, lip-glossed smile. She showed off the large beauty spot on her cheek. I put her in poses that captured her innocence and her personality. Then I showed her the images. Kosi lit up. In that moment, she understood what I was saying. She saw the difference. Her essence captured on camera instead of an over-sexualized Instagram caricature. I told her, this is for you, not for likes. This is a version of you you will always love, no matter how old you get. Whenever you see your pics, you will remember who you are. It was a day she and I will never forget. A moment that solidified our bond. I essentially saved her from a life of toxic narcissism, of being a slave to her own beauty. Like I said, beauty is intoxicating, not just to the beholder, but to the wielder, the owner. Kosi learned something that many women go their entire lives without ever realizing, which is that she's more than what she looks like, and she should keep that in mind always.